Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the alternator on this 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo with the 3.4 liter V6 engine. And the items you'll need for this is a 3/8 inch ratchet, 8, 10, 13, and 15 millimeter socket, and a ratchet with an extension. Start off by disconnecting your negative battery cable using an 8 millimeter socket and ratchet. And just pull that free. And then just up from the battery on this brace bar, there's 4 13 millimeter nuts. Go ahead and remove those, and then pull the bar up and out. Then remove these 2 10 millimeter nuts. Lift the bottle up and out, and then set that aside. And now, using a 3/8 inch ratchet, just push it into that square hole on the tensioner, and then pull back, and then pull the belt off the alternator, and that'll loosen it up off the tensioner as well. Then release the tension on the tensioner and pull your ratchet free. Pull back this boot on this red wire connected to your alternator, and then remove this 13 millimeter nut, and then this 15 millimeter bolt here, and there's 2 more 15 millimeter bolts that are kind of hard to show you, but they're right back in here. And we'll fast forward as Mike removes all of those. Maneuver your alternator back and forth and pull it free. And just pull this wire off of it. And you can pull it up and out. Take this bolt back here and just twist it back in a little bit, and then hammer out this post, and both of these things will make it easier to get the new alternator into place. Connect this wire and push your new alternator down into place, and then replace those 3 15 millimeter bolts. Also, make sure you tighten up this bolt. Sometimes it can come loose. Now reconnect the red wire on the back of the alternator, and then replace that 13 millimeter nut and tighten it up. And then slide the boot back down into place. Put the ratchet back into the tensioner and pull up. And then put the belt back onto your alternator. Now, using your 3/8 inch ratchet, again put it into the tensioner and pull up on it. And then just put your belt back on the alternator pulley, and then release the tension on the tensioner and pull the ratchet free. Now line up this slot onto this tab right down here, and just feed the bottle down into place. And make sure those top holes go down onto those studs, and then replace those two 10mm nuts. Take your brace bar and put it back down onto these studs up here. And then replace those four 13mm nuts and tighten them up. Now replace your negative battery cable and tighten it up. And then you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.